Well, hello and dobrodošli. My name is Frank Chermaza, and I'm currently president of the Slovenskega Narodnega Doma, Lipa Park, located in the heart of Niagara's wine country. As part of the celebration honoring Slovenia's 30th anniversary of independence, I would like to share some of the history and accomplishments of Slovenski Narodni Dom, Lipa Park. In the mid-60s, a group of local individuals comprised of those who were of Slovenian ancestry and those that were recent immigrants from Slovenia began fundraising with a goal to establish a facility for a dedicated Slovenian club. The vision was to build a dome where fellow Slovenians could congregate and enjoy each other's company while conserving the many aspects of Slovenian culture. Through much hard work and energy, these individuals canvassed for donations of funds and building materials. This successful campaigning resulted in the ability to make a purchase of 13 acres of land in the village of Pelham. This location was selected in part to be central to the Slovenian population of Niagara, hailing primarily from St. Catharines, Welland, and the surrounding rural areas, where many Slovenians operated farms. Countless volunteers donated thousands of hours of labor to clear the land and begin the foundation of our structure. These industrious individuals and their families built the original facility, which opened in 1967, coinciding with Canada's centennial. The grand opening was attended by the club members and their families, various dignitaries, and community members. Lipa Park quickly gained a reputation as an inviting and hospitable club that encouraged socialization with the members through summer picnics and winter banquets. Traditional Slovenian fare, live music, and cultural activities were featured at the club's events, and all of these happenings were enthusiastically supported by the membership. Because of its welcoming environment, the local community attended and supported the events being held at Lipa Park. In order to preserve the language and culture with the new generations, Slovenian language classes were held, along with dance groups and sporting functions for youth. Members in general participated in the social events, but also in activities such as sausage making, strudel school, the Hunters and Fishing Club, the choir, the folklore group. We had a button box club, we had a drama club, and of course, balinca tournaments, and every Slovenian's favorite, winemaking contests. The beauty of Lipa Park's grounds and the inviting environment quickly became known to the local community. Lipa Park became a destination and sought-after site for weddings, private functions, picnics, and events for organizations and clubs in the Niagara region. Lipa Park became a very popular venue, and the revenue generated by these occasions contributed to Lipa Park becoming strongly sustainable. Eventually, the popularity of Lipa Park necessitated an expansion of the clubhouse to accommodate the demand for increased capacity. As the years went by, Lipa Park increasingly became involved with the local community. Lipa Park has been active participant in the local Folk Arts Festival and Grape and Wine Festival, both held annually in the Niagara region. The membership has been consistently active in contributing to the various community fundraisers and charities. Through our events and cultural activities, we have added to the vibrancy and splendor of our home here in Niagara, while welcoming Slovenian newcomers and members of the rest of our community. We take great pride in maintaining our Slovenian heritage, and we make it a mission to continue fostering Slovenian traditions and culture while remaining a positive part of the ethnic diversity of the Canadian mosaic. Lipa Park abides by its motto, with goodwill, all things are possible. At this time, I would like to take the opportunity on behalf of the membership of Lipa Park to congratulate Slovenia on its 30th anniversary of independence. Though Canada is our home, we remain proud to have our Slovenian heritage as part of our backgrounds. Congratulations, čestitam. And to all of you, remember that you are always welcome at Lipa Park, and we certainly hope to see you at one of our post-COVID events.
Hišca ob cestoji, noter pa dekle spi, fantič pa mimo gre, gor